The main inspiration for Casa Gialla were all these wonderful Italian houses of the 60s, with architects like Gio Ponti or Carlo Scarpa, because they are full of colors and full of different kind of interesting geometries. So optimistic, so Mediterranean for living. My name is Gonzalo Pardo. I'm the creative director of GON, an architecture and design office based in Madrid. Surround the apartment is La Puerta del Sol, one of the most popular squares in Madrid. It's full of groceries and restaurants, and it's very well connected. The building was built in 1910 and it was renovated in 2003. It's always been a residential building. The client is a young Italian woman. Her name is Cecilia. She was looking for an apartment to live with her partner. She wanted a very functional apartment, but at the same time very hedonistic. The first time we came into the apartment, which is on the top of the building, it was a very dark space full of wooden beams and divided into different kind of rooms. There was a kitchen, 2 bedrooms, a little bathroom and an unused terrace. In Casa Gialla, we perform 3 main architectural actions. We demolished the walls of the house. We opened some skylights in order to introduce natural light, and we equipped the perimeter with the storage from the floor to the ceiling. Right in front of the elevator door, you will find the entrance to Casa Gialla. We built a kind of yellow arc that allows us to understand that we are passing from one space to another. The electrical panel and the intercom of the house is also hidden on the right side of the arc. The living area is a part of the main rectangular open space of Casa Gialla. The main idea was to make a flexible space, so we decided to put all the storage in the perimeter. In that way, Ceci could use the center as she wanted. The living area can be a little dark, so we choose to create a yellow storage wall that starts from the entrance and goes all the way to the end of the apartment. It contains the shoes and coat storage for the entrance, a bookshelf, a door to the bedroom and bathroom, and an opening which has the projector. The projector can be used in the bedroom or in the living room. The bedroom is on the other side, inside a kind of secret space hidden from visitors through a curtain. The storage of the bedroom are from IKEA. It also works as a screen for the projector when Cecilia is lying on her bed. There's a mirror in the corner for the clients to try out her outfits and also to make the space feel bigger. The bathroom can be accessed from the living area and the bedroom. It is the smallest and most hidden place in the house. We separate the shower from the toilet. They can be used by 2 people at the same time. The floor of the bedroom and the bathroom is a large white porcelain tile because we wanted to make the space feel continuous. At the end of the living area is more storage in white laminate. It also contains the boiler and the washing machine. There is a hidden bed for when guests stay over. There is an office in the corner of the apartment with views to the city. It is made from the same material as the kitchen, lowered to make it easier to sit at. The kitchen is a wide and very horizontal space. There is a large hidden fridge, an induction hob, a dishwasher and a microwave oven. The window can slide open and be hidden within the wall for saving space. There is a circular dining table on the other side of the kitchen. It is plenty of space for the client's daily needs. The terrace is possibly one of the most special places in the apartment. To get to the terrace, there is a step and a big window that can be fully opened to connect the interior with the exterior. There is a shower and a bathtub pool where to spend not only the summer days but also the winter. In Casa Gialla, what was very important is to connect the interior with the exterior to make a flexible space. This space can be built with very expensive material, very cheap materials, but for us, we can get them without so much money because at the end we could have IKEA storage. There's also one thing that we can spend the money. In this case, it was this yellow storage. For sure, when you have money, you can make incredible things. It's not always necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.